Alright, this thing has a 24 minus 2 tooth trigger wheel. I want to put a GM P59 ECU on there, so I bought this from a Silverado. It's too small to modify, like cut the center out and fit it around here. But at work yesterday, we had a 2012 Jeep Patriot engine that was locked up, spun some bearings, so I pull its crank trigger off, and everything is stopped. Fits pretty good. It's big enough that it would hit the original crank sensor here, and I'd probably have to trim some of the side cover casing here, maybe this bracket that holds the stator winding wires in place. But this might be a good starting point. Chrysler also uses effectively a 60 minus 2 tooth trigger, except instead of a large gap, there is a fat tooth. But it'd be easy to cut this fat tooth down to the size of one of the small ones and then have a bigger gap, and then just clock it right. Then there's still the hard part of getting an appropriate sensor in there. This is a VR sensor, which may be damn near mandatory since this rotor is very magnetic. That's why this shit sticks. So, anyway, might make some progress. Let's find the right sensor and whatnot. If it was a little bit smaller, could get this machine down and put this fucking wheel right where the original teeth were, and then just get a VR conditioner board like Mega Squirts and Speedwinas use. I don't know. Anyway.